The salt spray test is the hard truth about coating quality. Your customer requires no red rust within a specified time, and your parts show rust at half that. The numbers don't lie. Customers reject the batch. Failing salt spray usually comes down to 3 issues. Pretreatment skipped or incomplete. No phosphating or passivation means no protective layer on the base metal. Corrosion starts right at the interface. Insufficient coating thickness. Corrosive media penetrates the coating and reaches the substrate too quickly. Pinhole defect. Even a tiny pore lets salt solution leak through and start rusting underneath. Fixing it means adding or improving phosphating passivation to get a uniform conversion layer, dialing in your spray parameters to hit adequate thickness, especially on edges and corners where coating tends to thin out, and refining your process to minimize pinholes, like proper moisture venting and fully fluidized powder. Salt spray doesn't lie, and customers won't give you a second chance. What's your salt spray requirement, and have you actually tested it? Drop a comment. Let's talk.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.